How to log in Facebook account with phone number. Now, whether you want to log in with phone number or with email, it's very simple. Now, you could be using the app, or if you're using your browser, simply go ahead and then go to facebook.com from your browser. Once you're here on facebook.com, normally you could enter your email address and password and click the login button. But let's say you only know your phone number. Well, you can absolutely choose to log in using your phone number as well, but the only difference is that you should remember your password. So as long as you know your phone number and then you know your password, you can hit the login button right here to log into your account. Now sometimes what happens is you might have forgotten your password. If you have access to your phone number and then you don't remember your password, then you can absolutely still reset it. Just click on the button that says forgot password. Then when you click on forgot password, make sure to enter your email or mobile number to search for your account and click the search button. After you've done that, on the next page it will ask you to enter the password, but again we will just select forgot account. Once you select forgot account, right over here you can click the search button over there, and then it should be able to click on try another way option, and then you can send a code via email. Click on continue, and then after that you will receive a verification code on your email. So let me go ahead and simply check my Gmail or anything as such. Once you receive the code from your email, you should be able to go ahead and then see, and then from there you'll be able to go ahead and then basically choose a new password without having to remember your old password. So this is the way on how you can log into Facebook with phone number. The answer is you can, but you need to remember your password. If not, you can reset it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.